Hello, my dear students. Now let's start our lesson, hands-on measure with inch models. Now we will start with page 542. Now I need to ask you a question. How can you use tiles to measure the length of the green channel stem? This green channel. Where should you put the first tile? Now, as I told you yesterday, you need to have color tiles. You can download it online, but just be sure that each color tile is about 1 inch long. Now, where do you put the first tile? This tile. This is the first tile. Where should you put it? I will make it with different colors so it will appear more. Okay. This is the first tile and I need to measure this channel. Now I will put the left edge of the first tile, this edge, under the left end of the channel, this one. So here, this is the left end of the channel. I should start measuring by putting the left edge of the first tile under the left end of the channel stem. Now, I need to ask you a question. Why do you place the tiles side by side with no space between them? As you see here, tiles are placed side by side with no space. There is no space at all. Think with me. Excellent, because if there is a space between the tiles, my measurement would not be correct. Now, how long is the green channel? Think with me. Let's see. Just make it with black color. 1, 2, 3, 4. We used 4 color tiles to measure this string or this channel. Now, why do you think we use tiles of different colors? Actually, when you download the color tiles, you will figure out that colors are different. You will find tiles of different colors. Actually, the reason for this that it makes it easier to count the total number of tiles. Because when you use a blue one, then a red one, then a blue one, then again a red one, this makes counting much easier. Now here, as I told you, when you download the color tiles, be sure that it is about 1 inch long. Actually, 1 inch equal 2.5 centimeter. It's around 2.5. To be more accurate, it's 2.54, but just make it 2.5 centimeter. Now, how can we know the length of the string in inches? The string is about how many inches long? How do you know that the string is about how many inches? Now we know that each color tile is what? 1 inch long. Excellent. and there are 4 tiles. So the string must be about how many inches? Excellent! It's 4 because each color tile is about 1 inch long. Now, I want you to use the color tiles you download and use them to measure the objects in inches. Now here, don't forget an important thing. Of course, now I will try to draw it, but you are asked to use color tiles because this chapter is about measurement, how to measure. So don't just copy after me. You need to download the color tiles. Now here, what we should do, when you put the color tiles, remember a very important thing, which is you should put the first color tile with the left edge of the color tile with the left edge of the object to be measured. 1, this is 2, this is 3. Let's imagine those are the tiles. Of course, those are not an accurate tiles because I'm drawing them, but you should be using the color tiles you download from the internet. But I just want to show you how we are going to place them. So here you will arrange the color tiles like this. It's so important to line up the edge of the tile with the edge of the object, as I told you here. The edge of the object with the edge of the color tile. This is so important because if you don't line them up, the measurement will not be correct. Now here, the first object, we will use 3 color tiles. And as we said before, that a color tile is about 1 inch long. So don't forget this. This is so important. Don't forget this. So now I have how many tiles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be 3 color tiles. Each color tile is 1 inch, so it's about 3 inches. You will do the same in the following object using color tiles. And you will find that you will use 5 color tiles. So it would be about 5 inches. In the next one, you will use 2 color tiles for measuring, which is about 2 inches. In the last one, you will use 4 color tiles. And you will find that it's about 4 inches. Now remember, you have to use the color tiles for measurement.